Okay, so this is the third video on functions. Okay, so functions are good for code reusability. So if we want to reuse our code, we can write them as block of codes in our function. So we define them as functions. Okay, so let's have here an example of a code without a function. So for example, dito sa code natin na to, meron tayong list of numbers and then kukuha tayo ng mga specific list ng numbers dyan na gusto nating malaman kung add or even. Say for example, we have these three, itong 10 and yung 29. So for example, itong tatlong number na to, gusto nating malaman kung add or even, gusto nating i-program, identify kung add or even. So syempre, pag gagawin natin yon, isa-isahin natin na ganyan. So we have yung 0, ayan, yung number 0 which is yung 3, kukunin niya yung ating remainder if we divide it by 2. And pag 0 yung result is, sabi niya even. Okay? So i-compare natin siya sa, this is an example of the code without a function. Hindi tayo gumamit ng function dito. Pero kung gagamit tayo ng function, makikita natin na itong mga methods na ito, yan, mga processes na yan, we can implement them on a function. Okay? So, kaya nito. Ayan. So, kung mapapansin nyo, we have here yung number natin, which is ito. Ayan, mga numbers natin. And then, of course, nag-define tayo ng function doon. So, def identify. Pinangalanan natin siyang identify. And then, z, yung number na gusto nating identify kung add or even. And then, ito yung code natin. Okay? So, isang code lang siya sa pag-identify ng add or even. And then, pwede na nating i-reuse ito. Itong code na to by just calling this function. So, we have here identify numbers 0. For example, ito yung number 0. Identify natin yung 3. So, we have identify 3. Okay? And then, we have identify 11. 10 pala. Okay? So, we have here 10, which is the index 2. And then, identify yung index 5, which is yung 29. Ayan. So, 3 is an add, 10 is an even, 29 is an add. So, simple lang yung ginawa niya. Ang ginawa lang natin, gumawa tayo ng function. So, ito yung gagawin niya sa function. And then, i-call na lang natin yung function. So, yan. Kinall lang natin yung function. Hindi na natin kailangang i-encode itong code na yan ng maramihan. Okay? Hindi kagaya dito sa previous example. Ayan. So, in-encode natin siya dito. In-encode ulit natin doon. In-encode ulit natin dito. So, ginawa na lang natin siya ng function para hindi natin siya ulit-ulit na in-encode. Ayan. So, reusable yung code natin. So, ni-reuse natin using a function. Okay? So, yan. Call yung function. So, gagawin niya yan. Call ulit yung function. So, ang ginagawa na lang natin is pinapasa natin yung variable. No? Pinapasa natin yung value pala. Value doon sa variable, sa parameters natin. Ayan. So, yun yung code reusability. And don't forget na yung kwan lang natin dito, no, yung key para maintindihan natin tong mga parameters is substitution lang siya, no? Sinasubstitute lang natin yung mga values. So numbers 0, ano ba yung numbers 0 na yan? Itong index 3 na yan, index 0 na yan. So 3. So this is 3. Sinubstitute niya yung 3 dito at yung 3 na yan ipapasa niya doon kay z. So z is equal to 3. So we have here 3 modulus 2. Ano ba yung 3 modulus 2? That is 1 because 1 yung remainder. 1 is equal to 0. That is false. Therefore, ito yung ipiprint niya. So, z, which is yung 3, is an add. So, lumabas doon, 3 is an add. Okay? So, substitution lang yun yung ginagawa niya doon sa parameters, sa mga arguments. No? Okay? So, that's how functions work. Okay? And this ends our discussion on functions.